but today I show you how to create word art. Okay, how to create word art in MS Word. Okay, my name is John. I am computer faculty of Michael Park Computer Center School. First what I will do, I will go to WinWord. Okay. Here I go to an option. You go to insert, then you go to word art. Okay, whichever design you want to select, give some name. Suppose I will say micro park. Okay, then you click on OK. Here if you want, you can increase the size, and if you want to shape, if you want to add some picture inside the word art, you go to shape fill. Okay, if you want, you can add color, or if you want to add, you can add picture. Okay, which picture you want to select. Okay, then you select the location where it is. I'll go to desktop. In desktop, I select the location, which picture you want to select. Okay, I click insert. These things. Okay, then what you do, if you want to select gradient, you can select gradient. Okay, like that. Or if you want to select texture, you can select texture. Whichever you want, you can select. Depending upon the requirement. Depending upon the requirement. Okay. If you want to create some outline color, you go to shape outline. Then which if you want to give thickness, you can give thickness. If you want to change the color, you go to which color you want, you can give. Okay, like this. And if you want to give shadow, you can go shadow. If you want to give the shadow, you can increase the shadow. If you want to give the color, you go to shadow color, then you go to shadow color. Which color you want, you can give. Okay, these things you can do. And if you want to change the shape, you can go to change shape. Whichever shape you want, you can change. Like this. Okay, depending upon the requirement. Or if you want to convert to 3D, you can go to 3D. Which design you want, you can select. Okay, like this. Or if you want to give some color to this 3D effect, you go to 3D effect, then you go to 3D color. Which color you want, you can give. Like this. If you want, you can rotate like this. Okay. And if you want to bring this text to center, you click center to the center. You can change the position wherever you want, you can set. If you want to bring to the bottom, or if you want to bring to the top, these things you can set. Or what I will do, I will type some text, let's say equals and do some paragraphs. Okay. Or let's say equals here, let's say equals and give some paragraphs. Okay. Now here what I will do, now for this what I will do, suppose I want to I go text wrapping. Suppose if you want square, these are the, if you want to surround the text by this word art, or if you want top and bottom, because you are separating this word art with text. Okay, behind which this word art will come forward, text will go back. If you say front means what, which will come, text will go back. Like that, they can give different types of position for text position. Okay, these things that they can do. Or one more thing is what, I'll go to one more new file. Okay, this is regarding word art. Okay, I'll go to one more new file. Now here what I'll do, I'll take shape. If you want shape, you go to insert shape. Now draw some shape. Okay, again you take one more shape here. Insert, then you go to shape. Okay, drag it. Now suppose if you want to select both at a time, press shift and left click. Then if you want to add color, select the color. Here an option called that is align. If you want to bring center, or if you want to left, or you want to bring right, this is can adjust. Or if you want top, or if you want middle, like that you can. If you want to go back, undo, can use control then. See these things. Now you actually here you have an option called group. Group means if you want to make two objects in single object. See, both are moving at a time. Or again if you want to separate, use ungroup. See, ungroup is for separating, like that. These things. Okay. Now this is regarding this group and ungroup. If you want to rotate, you can rotate. See, like this is you can do. Okay, this is for how to this. And next what we have, next is in this, suppose again I take one shape. I go to insert, I go to shape here. Now I take one more shape, I go to insert shape. Okay, now we are what to do. If you want to send this shape to back, or if you want to bring to front, okay, so these things I can do. I want to send back, or I want to send front. If you want some give some color, okay, again select it, you go to send to back, or you say into front. See, these things you can do. If you want, you can increase the size, or if you want, you can increase the this one or this. this parameter you keep on changing. Okay, this is regarding shapes. Okay, thank you.